Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Now, this probably should have been a YouTube short, but it was 2 minutes long. So, just a quick video on the OneWheel Car Holder. Now, I'm going to be transporting my one wheel quite often, and I didn't want it rolling around the back of my car or in the front. So I bought this for, I think it was 70 bucks off the OneWheel website, and I just wanted to check it out, see if it works or not. Alright, so right off the bat, definitely feels really good. Really thick plastic, really good quality. And it looks pretty good too. It's got a nice little shine to it. Not too shabby. Alright, the back, you got some rubber grip all around the edges. So this should stick quite well in the back of a car, or on a table, wherever you will place it. Really good, feels great. Let's put it on the table and see if we can get it to move. Yeah, it sticks really well. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, that should be fine. We'll do a car test in a minute, but I just wanted to get on camera, take a look at it in person. Alright, so we're going to throw it in the back of my car here. I will be keeping it in the front, but I just wanted to see how it would do in the back. And yeah, it doesn't move around at all. This is definitely something that shouldn't tip over unless you're, driving pretty crazy. And you can also move it, how I'm doing here, to the back to give it a little added support. So that should be perfectly fine to transport in. Shouldn't have any issues. Alright, so let's move it to the front where I'm really going to be keeping it. And I was quite pleased on how it latched. As you can see, it sits in there perfectly fine, not going to move at all. Really snug. And I keep a backpack in here as well, so I should help it with some support. Alright, so all in all, I think the device is pretty cool. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you.